How to clean your C drive in 10 seconds. This tutorial shows you how to free up space fast using a built-in Windows tool. First, click the Start button. Type Disk Cleanup and open it. After that, select your C drive and click OK. From there, wait a few seconds while it calculates how much space you can free up. At this point, check the boxes for items like temporary files, recycle bin, and downloaded program files. In the next step, click Clean up System Files if you want to include Windows Update files too. Following this, select your C drive again and click OK. Once done, check the additional boxes that now appear, like Windows Update Cleanup. Keep in mind, deleting the recycle bin permanently removes those files, so make sure nothing important is still sitting in there. Finally, click OK, then click Delete Files to confirm and free up your space instantly. And that's it! If this guide helped you clean your C drive fast, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.